To manage tasks more efficiently in Todoist, start by opening the platform in your web browser. Once logged in, you'll see various options such as Add Task, My Projects, and Quick Start Templates on the right, and a range of features on the left. Todoist incorporates keyboard shortcuts to streamline task management. Every clickable button on the site has a corresponding shortcut, allowing you to navigate and perform actions without using your mouse. The command menu is accessible via a specific shortcut, and from there, you can manage tasks using your keyboard. The arrow keys can be used to scroll through tasks, and specific keys are assigned to actions like commenting. C. Scheduling. T. Opening a task. Enter. And completing a task. By utilizing these shortcuts, you can significantly speed up your task management process. Effective use of these features can enhance your productivity and overall experience with the platform.